Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video, and today is a nice rainy day. Nothing like rain for March, at the end of March. Hopefully we're going to have some leaves come on the tree soon. Yep. Yeah, in the future I'm going to be doing some yard work. I'm going to put some, as you can see right here, that's an issue of water build up right there. And a lot of dry spots. My dog digging holes. So what I would like to do is get 2 truckloads of dirt, fill that area up in there where the grass is at, right here with the wheelbarrow, and all the way through here, all the way down, and all the way down to here, and fill this in with dirt. And right there, that busted off pipe is the drain for my eaves, or my gutters. It's right there. Come down, and it goes down here. So what I got to do is I got to do something about that. But it's a nice rainy day, so I figure I'll go ahead and get in the workshop here. I've been doing a lot of work on my vehicle, my clips that I drive, and I got all the tools out. Tools, impact wrench, or air gun. Yep, and it's a little bit of a mess in here. I got the lawnmower in here. There's another project. I got to get that cleaned up for the summer. Change the oil. My daughter's boyfriend took off the plow for me. Sat it right there. That has to be cleaned up and put away, which is going on the back porch. But for now, it has to stay in here because I am going to scrape the back porch floor and paint it. Repaint everything, and then once that dries, then I'm going to put that up there. Like I said, I had a lot of projects I was doing on my car. It was pretty weird. I took my winter tires off of my car and put my summer tires on. And then I noticed this in the engine compartment. It's a ground cable that went to the block to the body. Actually, this was on the block and this was on the body. It was probably about that long. It was just disintegrated. It is 9 to 10 years old, going on 9 years old. So I replaced that. And then I noticed, I thought I was all done, that a windshield washer fluid nozzle, it was on the passenger side, just dangling down. Here, it busted off inside there. Here's the old nozzle. I put that on. That thing was so brittle, I just took a screwdriver and lifted, and it busted. It busted right off, so that was an easy way to get that off of there. So I bought a new one, had to special order it. Everything for that car, seems like you have to special order things. But I got that little project done. So the big boy here is going to get done probably today. I'm going to do the front end finally. I'm going to try to film that. There's the parts right there. I'm going to try to film it. I figured I'd put this video up real quick, show you what I'm doing here. My garage is a mess. I got the heat on, get the chill out of the air. It's like 50 degrees in here. But yeah, I got 2 gallons of paint from Walmart. It was $5 a gallon. I couldn't believe it. I think it's blue. So what I'm going to do is, summertime comes, nice hot day, this floor is going to get cleaned, pressure washed, and then painted again. It's going to be blue. And the reason why I paint my floor, well, there's a couple reasons. One, when I put the four-wheeler in here, when the wintertime, the snow melts, water gets on the floor, it won't soak through and get this particle board, or not particle board, but wafer board that I put down. I'm going to try to keep it painted, keep gallons of paint on it. I did one project there. You can tell there's some black paint of what it was. So, and plus see how wet it is outside. Tracks in. Little oil spot right there. So I'm going to get the pressure washer from my brother. Hey, go ahead and get this cleaned out and painted. Everything has to come out. So, yeah. That's the project for the summertime when it's nice and warm out, like 80 degrees, 70 to 80 degrees. And then, like I said, I got to do the lawnmower yet. And another reason why I paint my floor different colors is now with this light blue, if I drop something on the floor, I'll be able to see it better. The screw that I drop, or like that Allen wrench over there. Dropped that the other day. And here's my table saw. All in shambles. I went to Harbor Freight before this big outbreak of stuff going on in the world. Bought some more of these towels. I had a coupon, internet coupon for 69 cents each, a limit of 3. Bought a sanding belt. Bought 3 brushes. Paint brushes there. Those are 89 cents with my coupon each. Retailed $1.24 or something like that. Got it for 89 cents. Just little odds and ends. Try to keep stocked up. And then I got some nice cherry board here, or what do you call it, like a 4x4. What I want to do is I want to repurpose this wood with the bandsaw one of these days. That's why I brought it home. And see if I can get some cherry boards out of that. Maybe a 1/2-inch thick boards. If I can get them a foot long, that'd be great. Because I was thinking about building like a little keepsake box out of it. So I thought that would be kind of cool to do. So yeah. Can't believe that fan came on. Is it turned? Oh, it's turned on. Okay. Oh, man. Yeah, this thing's still working great. Fired right up. And like I said, I gotta get the temperature up here. Oh man, it's freezing in here. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna clean this mess up. That was a short little video. What I'm doing here today on a nice rainy Saturday morning. And the next video should be that big boy right there. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching, and I'll be talking to you.